Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the core environment and instrumentation. Vacuum at 10.6 torr and cryogenic stability near 3K. Once done, mount the photonic emitter and align the magnet array to the experimental axis. This reduces stray fields and increases sensitivity. Make sure the spectrometer is calibrated to 0. 1 nm and your DAQ runs at 1 kHz with synchronized timestamps. Because precise timing and low thermal noise are why transient, weak signatures become detectable. You now execute the interaction sequence. Start the emitter sweep across the target band in 1 GHz steps, running each sweep for several hours to integrate weak signals. At the same time, modulate the magnetic field from 0 to 5 Tesla with smooth 0. 1T ramps every 30 seconds to probe field-dependent responses. This forces differential behavior. Make sure to record synchronous spectra, dark frames, and environmental logs, since correlating those datasets is how you separate real events from instrumental or thermal artifacts. You finish by processing, apply matched filters and stack runs to boost signal-to-noise, then identify repeatable features exceeding a 5 sigma threshold. Once seen, cross-check with control runs and rotate the apparatus to verify directional dependence. This distinguishes local artifacts. If results remain ambiguous, extend integration time by twofold and vary the modulation frequency by about 20% because persistent, coherent responses under parameter shifts indicate a genuine phantom-like interaction rather than noise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.